From casting and forging to precision machining, this batch of 2,500-pound class power station gate valves for the North American market is now being manufactured in an orderly process at LIANGGU's headquarters production base. Here, advanced CNC machining and testing equipment are brought together. Backed by a digital intelligent manufacturing system, we implement full process control, ensuring that every operation and every parameter is executed with absolute accuracy. We understand that these power station gate valves will carry the critical task of energy transmission for a large-scale power plant. That is why each unit must withstand long-term service under extreme high temperature and high pressure conditions. At LIANGGU, we forge reliability with the strictest standards, providing solid assurance to customers worldwide.